Brighten Your Language. Mastering Color Adjectives. Hello language enthusiasts. Welcome back to our video series on English grammar. Today we are diving into a vibrant and colorful part of English language. Color adjectives. Colors play a significant role in our daily conversations. They help us describe the world around us more vividly. But how exactly should we use them in our sentences? Let's uncover the mystery together. As you might have guessed, color adjectives are words that describe the color of something. We have a wide palette to choose from in English. Red, blue, green, yellow, and so much more. These words add vibrancy and specificity to our descriptions. Here's a simple example. She has blue eyes. So, where should you place these color adjectives in a sentence? Before the noun they are describing, just like most other adjectives. For instance, I have a red car. The color adjective, red, is placed before the noun, car, to describe it. But what if you want to describe something with more than one color? When using multiple color adjectives, we typically use and to link them. For instance, he has a black and white dog. One crucial aspect of adjectives is their order when you're using several in a row. If you're using a color adjective with others like size or material, the color usually goes last. For example, she bought a big, leather, brown bag. The order here is size, big, material, leather, and then color, brown. And that brings us to the end of this video. You've now mastered how to use color adjectives in English. You're well on your way to painting vibrant pictures with your words. Keep practicing these rules to bring your English conversations to life. Stay colorful, stay curious. Thanks for joining us, and we hope to see you in our next video where we will continue our journey in learning English.